All right, everyone, welcome back. It's Albert Lebel, and I've got a challenge locking device from Jason Carlson. That's right. It's called, I want to say Promethium. I hope I'm saying that right. And I had no clue what the word was, so I went ahead and Googled it. Like I do everything else, I'm a Google fanatic. It is actually a very rare element, like super rare. It's atomic number 61, if anybody's interested in Promethium. All of its isotopes are radioactive, and it says there's only like 500 to 600 grams naturally occur in Earth's crust. Now that is rare. 500 to 600 grams in Earth's crust. I mean, that's talk about rare. Anyways, Promethium. Not sure why he came up with that word. Maybe he'll let us know in the comments, huh, Jason? And by the way, Jason, I know you're going through some things right now. I want you to know you're not alone. You'll get through it, bro. Okay. So thoughts are with you. So now the challenge lock, Promethium, as it says on the key tag. Jason Carlson. It also says number 35. So badass. Thank you so much for making challenge locks, buddy. Really appreciate it. There's the bitting on the key. As you can see, we're going to try and stay away from that first one. Lock does work. I have not tried it yet, but I did check it out a minute ago. But I think I'm going to go with, well, first of all, we'll go with probably top of the keyway. Yeah. And I think I'm going to go ahead and use, he made me some picks also. And this is one of them. So we'll try and use it. Hopefully that's going to be tall enough to get around that low cut one. And I can probably pick off this ledge right here. That's what I'm going to try to do. It feels like it fits. So let's see if we can't do this. Let's get at it. We're good on the camera. We're good enough. All right. Bada boom, bada bing. Let me turn this light just a little bit out of my eyes. Okay. There we go. Let's get a feel for it real quick. Let's see where the binders are. I feel a binder about 3 right off the bat. Okay. So, recock. Let's do it. No, it's actually more like 2. No, maybe it was 3. Let's see. Okay, that was like 4. All the way in the back. Oop. Nope, overset. Let it go. Alright. There we go. Alright. Feels like we're back on like 3. Couple nice clicks there. Let's see. Counter rotation. Okay, got some nice clicks. I think that was 2. But we got to watch out for that. Ooh, that one in the front because it's a trap. Okay, that was, I think, 4. Let's see. Oh, all the way in the back again. Yep, okay. Feels like it's set. We're in a false set, but let's see. Who's holding us up here? Two. I think I just slipped off of it there. Let's see. I think we need to go all the way in the back again. Okay. Yep, we're having problems in the back of the lock there. Coming back up. Well, I say that. Let's see. 2. Yeah, right here. If I can make it set. Maybe it is set. Counter rotation. Okay, we got a little bit more of a false set now. I just slipped off of something. I'll tell you what, it's a crunchy puppy. Looking for what's holding us up, and I think it's not up front. Let's see, 2. I think it's right here at 3. See if we can make it set. Okay, but I dropped some. Yeah, I dropped one in the back. I'm going to have to manually set it. Okay, back into the false set. Counter rotation. Okay, drop the one in the back again. Good, golly Miss Molly. And the tension wrench is too loose to... Oh. Okay, now we got it set. Hopefully we can keep it. Alright, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Wow, what a freaking great lock, Jason. What a great freaking lock. Beautiful. Oh, that was beautiful. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Epic. And it's got the name again on the lock right there, Promethium. Beautiful. So we're very much open. It's not a super deep false set. We do got a key so I can lock it back up. I'm going to get this camera backed out a bit so we can stay in frame. What a great freaking lock, Jason. Loved it. Yes, that's what I needed. That's what I needed. All right, so let's see. Not too far. Good enough. All right, so let's see. We got a clip on the back. Let's see if we can dig it out of there. Oof. Yep. There we go. Got the clip off. Don't need that. Do need the key. And that thing was really, really nasty, so I'm definitely going to try and shove a shim up in there. Get it as far as I can. Get a follower, and let's see what we got. I know there's some magic up in this bad boy. 5-pinner. Don't want to spring nothing out of there. Let's see. Do it that way. There we go. So, like I said, that one in the front, where's my pokey? That one in the front barely needed any picking. It was more of a trap. But we got around it. Alright. Oh yeah, we got some modified pins. Oh yeah. Like a T-pin, key pin in number 2. We'll get close-ups on these as always. Very nice work, sir. Very nice work. Whoops. It's alright, we know where that went. Alright, let me get some specs on here so I can see. We've got threading in 1, 3, 4, and 5. Threading in 1, 3, 4, and 5. Well played. Well played. I'll tell you what, man, I needed that. That was a great freaking lock. Real good. Real good. Alright. Bada boom, bada bing. Nice and careful. Looks like it's serrated in 1. Really wicked looking. We'll get a close up on these. That's really cool looking. Let me get them. Let's get them laid out here and we'll get a nice close up on them. Really nice work. And you can tell, well, yeah, you can tell. You can tell the difference between somebody taking their time and making one and somebody just kind of going crazy with a Dremel tool or something. You can tell. That was 4, so we're fishing for 5. Nice and easy. Nice. Another really beautiful one. All right. And I don't think that was removed, but I'll take a peek anyways. Nope. No mods up in the body, or the Bible as we call it. Whoops. All right. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Again, I don't know if I'm saying it right. Promethium by Jason Carlson. Fan-freaking-tastic. All right. Let's get a close-up on these real quick here. Just like that. Good enough. All right. Key pins. We got this really cool, almost, that's going to sort of act like a spool, because it was set up like an overset trap. So if you lift this pin, it'll get caught right here, and it'll feel like it's set when it's actually overset. So really good idea on that one. Sort of this cone T-pin in number 2 as far as the key pin goes. Number 3 is serrated. 4, again, this is going to act like a spool right here with some serrations. Number 5, obviously, we'll call that triple serrated. Really nicely done, too, by the way. These are all really good. Really nice. You can tell it when someone takes their time to do them. Drivers, double serrated in 1. We got this kind of serrated spool combobulation in 2. Really sharp, too. These edges, I hope the camera's picking that up good, because this is some sharp stuff right here. I mean, it's like blade sharp. 3, triple serrated. 4, again, really sharp edges on this kind of, I don't know, almost serrated spool combobulation. And then 5, again, the same thing, same idea. And these are, I'm telling you, man, these are sharp edges right here. I don't know how he did that, but really worked good. I think that's where that like crunching was coming from, them sharp edges. Fantastic job. All right, Jason Carlson, again, you're not alone, bud. We're with you. And thank you all so much for watching. Please comment. I love your comments. I will respond to them as quick as I can. So please leave a comment. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. All right, Big Al, signing out.